Hi, my name is Atik, and I'm going to show you the fastest way to install WHM cPanel in AWS. So let's get started. In this setup, we are going to use AlmaLinux, which is the latest operating system nowadays, and we are going to use Marketplace AMI, which is pre-installed, and it doesn't take that much time. Its security is hardened, and you can easily install it. So let's get started. First, let's go to EC2, where we are going to launch a new instance. So click on the Launch Instance button and give it a name, WHM slash cPanel. Here in the images, we are going to choose AMI, that is Amazon Machine Image, which is available in the marketplace. So here we are going to search for WHM, and we are going to go to AWS Marketplace AMI. We have a couple of options here. So one, there is cPanel WHM with AlmaLinux 9 with Ubuntu 22, Ubuntu 22. These are like, I don't know whether it's suitable or not, but I'm going to choose the AlmaLinux, not the Ubuntu 22 or WordPress, etc. You have the full flexibility to use it, AlmaLinux 9. So let's use this. So WHM cPanel hosting with AlmaLinux 9. The license is you need to bring your own license, BYOL. So here, if you go to the pricing, then there is no cost for kind of like software, only the hardware cost, because software cost, you're going to purchase the license from cPanel official website. So let's subscribe that now. And then once the subscription is ready, we are going to install it. This takes around 1 or 2 seconds time. So let's wait. Then we are going to choose, it's better to use T3 medium because we need some capacity of CPU. I'm going to use a keep here, and then we can use the existing like the security rules that they have already provided. We can use that, and then let's go storage GP3. That's the ideal, and 20 gigs. That should be fine. Click here. I'm going to choose an EC2 instance profile. This, and then click launch. So this is a pre-built AMI. That means you don't have to wait for 30 to 40 minutes. If you like, you can do that manually as well, but it will take you to install all those softwares, WHM, cPanel, everything in a fresh Alma Linux. That's time taking, and sometimes you can make mistakes. This is pre-baked. Security is quite good, and it is suitable for you to run any applications in WHM cPanel, right? One thing that I need to do is like add an elastic IP. So go here. I need to have a allocated elastic IP and then assign that to that instance. Associate with here to instance. Oh, okay. Now let's go refresh. So once this is ready, you're going to log in as a root and then get the password. It is still initializing, so let's wait. Let's try to connect. Yeah, instance is still not ready. Let's refresh. Trying to connect again. For the first time, it might take some time. So let's wait for that because, it should start all the services. There are a lot of services there. HTTP, Apache service, SSH service, even the database service as well. So all the service needs to be started. So it takes some time. Let's wait for that. And once that is ready, then we can connect it. Yeah, still not. So that's okay. Everything is ready. Now let's see. Okay. Maybe it's better I just connect with the SSH terminal. Just a moment. Okay. My server is ready. So I'm going to just connect with the PM file. So I have the PM file here. And then what we are going to do is set up the sudo chmod 0400 with port.pm. Okay, now let's connect with that instance. This is the public IP, right? What we're going to do is ssh I port.pm EC2 user at the rate of. Yeah, so we are able to log in, right? Now we are going to take root privilege and going to use the password. Changing the password for the new password. So let's give it a new password here. Group A, B, C, D. That random number as well. Okay, very strong password. I guess let's see. We type the password. Okay, password all authentication token separate successfully. Okay, the password is successfully updated. Now let's go to a new tab and paste it and then 2087. Advanced. Click here. The username is root. The password will be copied from here. Use the password. And that's it. This is our WHM cPanel, right? That's it. So, yeah, we have to accept anyhow. Okay, I create it. Now let's connect. It's a free trial for a few days. After that, you need to purchase the license. Okay, probably I need to sign in with a different user because what happened is that I already used this one for some other accounts. You can use any email address and get a free license for 15 days. allow access. Let me check the verification code that was given. Okay, this is the verification code. It's very weird. So TU and then M0 W E G Z. Okay, this account is for an individual, right? Okay, let's check in this box. I click next. Email address. I'm going to use the email address. Save it. Okay, click on. Okay, that's it. We have now successfully set up WHM cPanel into AWS with AlmaLinux 9. This is the latest one. Now you can have a account that is valid for 15 days, and you can use up to 30 user accounts. You can create new accounts here, like create new account, and then you can use that to set up different individual. You can resell it, or you can use it for your personal projects as well. So that being said, this is the video all about setting up WHM cPanel into AWS with the latest AlmaLinux. That being said, thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.